Good morning and welcome to Plugins for Labtech's quick demo of the PFSense for Labtech plugin, the firewall plugin that allows you to manage PFSense devices. As you can see here, we have a Labtech system. It's a Labtech 11. We have some PFSense firewalls deployed. We're going to go over here and take a look at one. As we can see in passwords, we have a PFSense device defined here. We go over to our PFSense tab. And we can see that it's been scanned, and the reason we can see that is because we've got icons here. Otherwise, we would have no icons. Each icon represents an item that was picked up with inside the PFSense device. So we have things like interfaces. Allows you to see the different interfaces, packet counts, things of that nature. We have gateways. There you go. There's our gateway, what our current packet loss is. We have VPN tunnels that we can look at. And see if we're active and available and functioning. We have services we can look at, see if we have services that are stopped or not running. We have CARP interfaces that we can look at, so we can see if our CARPs are in backup or in master and are available. We can view backups. These are backups taken of this particular device. We can go and export that backup. That backup exports to your local text machine. We can then go ahead and view that backup. And there we go. We have this great XML backup of that firewall. We can delete backups if we want to here. We can update all our staffing information here just by clicking update. We can turn management, which is all the automated stuff that's going on and off on this device by just turning it on and off of this location. Or we can go and manage our devices. So we can come here and click on Manage Devices. We'll choose a device that we want to manage and go ahead and select to manage that device. Test, enter. There we go. Tunnel gets created. Give it a second. We should have a little web pop up with an SSL. Give it a second. There it is. There's our SSL. We'll go ahead and hit yes. And there's our PFSense device just popped up on our little web page here. And you can see our tunnels now active between your text machine and your client's network. So log into our PFSense device here. And there we go. We can see now that we are accessing our PFSense device. Yeah, all right, excellent. Come over here and we can see we have ability to navigate through. You can see it's pretty quick. It's definitely moving. Okay, we can see WAN. We can go in firewall rules. There we go, things like that. So very easy to navigate around through the system and get the information we want. And then when we're done, we can either choose to just close out the web, which will shut the tunnel down, or close tunnel. When we close tunnel, it clears everything up and everything goes bye-bye. Now we can go and we have a master view. So if we go to View menu and select PFSense for Labtech, you'll see here that we have a main view that gives us all our company's firewalls that we have deployed. And we can see where their backup statuses are, what their interface statuses are, gateway statuses. If something's got packet loss on a particular gateway, we can determine that. We can see VPN tunnels. We can see different CARP addresses and where they are currently at relative to whether they're a master or a standby or a backup. Services that are running, and if we have any failed services, and be able to take a look at all the configured firewalls that we have for across our network, see who's actually set up to be configured, and do any current cleanups and setups. We can also set our scan interval, how often we want to update or refresh our firewall data across all our clients here. That is a look into the PFSense device. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Support at pluginsforlabtech.com. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.